So we want to understand what's happening inside of our database.
Right.
This is a view. It's not a table. This is a system view that shows the activity of everything is happening inside of the database. So we can start here to see what is happening. For example, this is a select we just did. It's active. It was run by the PSQL, and it's not waiting on anything. Right? What is the waiting event? So let me just change the waiting event and the state at the beginning, because as the query is too large, it's going to be hard to see. Okay, the wait event, we don't have waiting event here. We have some operations waiting for the auto vacuum to finish. So this is when they started. What is our backup? So PG start backup. It's waiting on the checkpoint to be done. Right? And do we have a checkpoint here? Oh, it's just to show people that it's running and it's waiting. You asked if we would have, if I cancel them, we would have two
I did
run, right? So maybe it was finished, we can cancel and run again, and just check here again to see if we have two. And in this case, we don't have, because remember, it's blocked. It's still waiting for the checkpoint to be done.
And so the checkpoint's probably stuck on vacuum.
Yeah, it didn't even start. See, it's waiting for the checkpoint to start.
Yeah. So that's where your backup is blocked. So we've effectively found that we're waiting on auto vacuum for everything to free up. So this is one of those.
Can we kill auto vacuum?
Ooh. I mean, you could disable it, but if it's already running, I don't know if you could kill auto vacuum. I don't know. That's like so you can disable auto vacuum, which is not recommended.
No.
And you can run vacuum on your own. But I don't know if you can kill it if it's active. You could probably kill the database.
No, I don't want to kill the database.
Well, I'm just saying, like you could to get rid of auto vacuum. Mm-hmm. But that's a good question. I've never tried. But yeah,